The first thing to do is to install the Expose app in your Google Store. Wait for it to load and click Open. The next step you will have to do is to get to know the design of the app. If you click on Matrix, it will ask you to grant permission. Click on Allow. Then your gallery opens. So choose your favorite photo. When you have it ready, what it shows you is the real-time editing. Click on the matrix icon and you will find the filter strength. You can raise or lower it as you wish. In falling you can also increase or decrease it. Click on the arrow. It's time to try the VHS filter. This filter shows a creative design for your networks. Click it again and you will find the opacity button, which you can modify to your liking. And also intensity to modify it. Play with the things, film, shadows filter. Click on the X, and visit other options to change your photo. Click on ADS space. Choose another photo from gallery and start playing. It's very easy to use it and have photos with creative colors and designs. To save it, click Export on the top right icon and you will have it on your phone. Your mobile phone.